I love these sections like this. It's the best. But where there's a down, there's gonna be an up. Okay, we're stopping, huh? Here, it's fresh water. Drinkable. We are at Violago Rest Deck. View deck pala. And that's Cyril over there.
They're with our Vitargo drink. Drink Vitargo.
That's Kinito. Oh. And that's Dennis who broke a chain. Huh? And that's JR. Look at the trees, wonderful. Look at that. It's the husband and wife. Ay, sorry, nagliligaw tandem.
Works of a cameraman, you can stop anytime.
Hi, Jay.
Hi, Jay.
Buy your bike.
Buy your bike. There you go, Jay.
Rehydrate.
Somebody really wants to get endorsers, right? So actually, what we did is we just finished the ride to Violago, and now we're going back in. Manticon, who are you endorsing this time? Cramp is gone?